Hola, Ana here with Pathway to Spanish. I've had a request from my students to create a video about the G sounds. The letters C and G are pronounced differently according to the vowels that follow. These materials are my own. However, I would like to say thanks to Pixabay for the royalty-free images. You notice here in this document, we have a G sound, we have a H sound, H, G, and G. So the letter G is pronounced differently according to the vowel that follows. So you want to learn this so that you can incorporate these sounds into new words that you see and you don't know how to pronounce. This will help you. Okay, so repeat after me. I'm looking up at my monitor if you're wondering. Ga, ge, ki, go, gu. Are you repeating after me? Ga, ge, hi, go, gu. And I like to say it this way. Ga, ge, hi, go, gu. Can you do that? Ga, ge, hi, go, gu. Let me hear you do it. Okay, so you want to practice that. Okay, so repeat after me. If you don't know what some of these words mean, look them up or shoot me a message. I'm here to help. Garaje. La puerta de la casa es roja. Make sure you're repeating after me. La puerta del garaje es gris. Muy bien. Garaje. La puerta de la casa es roja. La puerta la puerta del garaje es gris. Ganar, to earn or to win. Yo gano el juego. Ganar. And don't make it ganar. It's ga. Ganar. We swallow our vowels in English, so you don't want to do that in Spanish. Ganar. Yo gano el juego. Make sure you're repeating after me so that you get the full benefit of the video. Gerente. Gerente. El gerente trabaja mucho. Gerente. El gerente trabaja mucho. Generar. Generar. La fábrica genera muchos trabajos. Generar. La fábrica genera muchos trabajos. Muy bien. Keep repeating. Gigante. Gigante. Los elefantes son gigantes. Los elefantes son gigantes. Girar. You know, I find that sometimes to make that gooky sound in your throat, if you will, it helps to drink water. I've been teething tonight, and so, yeah, my mouth is dry. Drinking water actually helps you with some of the Spanish sounds, in my opinion. Girar. Girar. Un girasol gira hacia el sol. Girar. Un girasol gira hacia el sol. Muy bien. Gorila. Gorila. Los gorilas son grandes. Los gorilas son grandes. Golpear. Hola. Golpear. Yo golpeo a la puerta. Golpear. Yo golpeo a la puerta. Muy bien. Guatemala. Guatemala. Guatemala me encanta. Guatemala me encanta. Guardar. Yo guardo dinero en mi billetera. Yo guardo dinero en mi billetera. So I hope this is helpful to you. Practice this, share it with your friends. If you'd like information about classes, reach out to me at Pathway to Spanish. And I'm here to help you. This approach is very practical, it's fun, and I just love seeing people learning to speak Spanish. I don't like to teach about Spanish, I like to teach people how to speak Spanish. I am your online Spanish conversation coach. Pathway to Spanish. Reach out to me, practice this out loud. Please don't watch this video quietly. That's not why I made it. So you've got to practice it out loud. Reach out to me at Pathway to Spanish. Let me know if there's something you'd like me to make a video about so I can help you with Spanish. Or if you need help and you want to have information about classes. All right, practice up. Buen trabajo. Hasta luego. Hasta pronto.